Hello Casio fans from all over the world. Today we're gonna have an interesting video as we are about to unbox this lovely 240B MW. This is a field watch or an expedition watch only made of plastic. Stay tuned to see how it looks. Here it is, the box. I haven't opened it yet. I am so curious. I was eager to open this lovely box. It is the box, the cheapest one. Some retailers will give you the watch on a plastic stand, but this is just a rubbish box. Nevertheless, let's open the watch. We see here the MW-240B and with the model number 3030. Let's open the watch and see how it looks. Empty box. And this is the expedition watch or the field watch. I'm not sure what it is. I guess you guys can leave me in the comments to know what would be the name. Whoa, this watch looks kind of big, yet it is very light. It is very light. Wow, this watch looks great. I hope it fits very well on my wrist. We will see later on. The dial is beautiful. The case made of plastic, but still is beautiful. And also the yellowish color of the dial goes very well with the green cloth strap. Now this watch is the bigger brother of the MQ-24. I have here a watch. It is the MQ-57, which is identical in size, not in model, just in size with the MQ-24. Compared one to the other one, for sure it is larger. The Expedition watch is way larger than the MQ-24. Now Casio has released the version for the MQ-24 in a lot of variants, having the resin case, the resin strap, and just the dial is different. We have green dial, blue dial, black dial with white hands, white numbers, golden hands, golden numbers. I don't know, a lot of variants. Yet they have released the B version, so the 240B. This is what I have here. The B version comes with the cloth strap. So we have a strap. It's similar in material as the NATO strap, just it has this I'm not sure how it's called in English, this type of closing mechanism. Alright, let's see the dimensions of this watch. Now the case is pretty large, having a 42mm case. The height of the watch also exceeds 1 centimeter, so it has 10.3mm, a pretty large case. And if we go to lug dimension, would be around 43-44mm. So it's a pretty large case, yet we do not know how it stands on the wrist. I would say that, let's see. Releasing the Royale, and let's put the... So I would say that the watch looks very well on the wrist, especially on smaller ones. You do not feel it is a very light watch. I guess it does not exceed 40 grams, maybe 30 grams. All it's made of plastic. It is a beautiful watch. It is a nice dial. The colors of the dial is very beautiful. Also, it has a lot of information on the display. We have the Casio logo, the quartz mechanism. We have the numbers, the Roman numbers, sorry, the Arabic numbers. We have also under the large numbers, we have the 24-hour format written, the water resistance of 50 meters and the water resistance logo. I'm not sure if these hands have some lume, but I expect to be a very bad lume in case it has. In regards the strap, well, this is divided in two parts, and on the middle the watch is very loosened on my hand, but you can let's say, exceed the medium, and if I tighten it to the maximum, it will be this end of the strap that is playing around, so it is way large for my wrist, but it can be adjusted, and yeah, in the end you can wear it. So this kind of strap, I'm not sure how it will feel in time, I'm not sure how it will degrade in time, but it has the Casio logo on it, and at the back it has some leather. I guess it is ecological leather, so it is not real leather. And also next to the lugs we have this type of leather that covers the canvas strap. I kind of do not like it. It is a little large for my wrist, and I guess the end of the strap will be like this, and I'm not sure I like this way of having the strap. I still can put it under the retainer, but it sticks and you cannot place it correctly, so the retainer will not be used for the smaller wrist, and you will have it like this. Maybe you guys already found a solution for this issue. I hope to see it in the comments. If you are about to take a look on the back case, we have the Casio logo, the water resistance logo, and we have the module number. The module number is 1330, which is the same module number as we have it on the MQ-24. We still have the information that the back is made of stainless steel, the water resistance 50 meters or 5 bars, and it is a drop of movement and cased in China. As a difference between the MQ and this one, the MQ has the back case which is clipped, and this one has these 4 screws that secures it. In regards to the module, I'm not sure what to say. It is the 1330 module number. It is very simple to adjust. You pull out the crown, then you move towards right or left in order to adjust the time and the minute. As for the watch, or for the model, it uses the SR626SW battery, and Casio says that it will last around 3 years. Haven't tested, I'm not sure, maybe you guys know how much the battery will last for this watch. I assume that this particular watch would last less than the MQ because it has bigger or larger hands. You will not see the difference, definitely. I love very much the dial colors. I love very much the second hand, which is red. It is quite beautiful, and in regards the size, the case size, it is okay also for smaller wrists. To conclude, I'm not sure what to say about the watch because I haven't worn it. I will definitely do, and I will definitely wear it while hiking or while working or while, I'm not sure, depends. But I love the watch. Hope to see your comments and your opinion in regards to this watch in the comment section. Thank you and see you next week.